Hi, I am Marie. Welcome to Beauty Info Spot. Are you tired of sifting through endless beauty product reviews only to find that they don't quite apply to your specific skin type or concerns? Look no further because we got you covered. In Beauty Info Spot, we believe that everyone deserves to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. That's why we offer honest and informative reviews, tutorials, and tips for all different skin types and concerns. I was looking for a makeup set that was versatile and fun to use. So I found this fantastic set. It comes with everything you need to do your makeup like a pro. With over 7,000 4.5-star reviews. This was the perfect set. I am excited to introduce to you this exclusive Shany makeup bundle set. This set includes all the essential makeup products to create a flawless, professional-looking look. Inside the bundle, you will find a range of high-quality makeup products, including eyeshadows, lipsticks, blushes, and more. Each product is carefully formulated with the finest ingredients to provide long-lasting wear and vibrant, pigmented color. But that's not all. This bundle also includes a range of makeup brushes and tools to help you achieve a seamless, airbrushed finish. The brushes are made with soft, synthetic bristles that are gentle on the skin and easy to clean. With the Shany Bundle Makeup Set, you have everything you need to create endless makeup looks, from natural and subtle to bold and dramatic. So why wait? Get your hands on this must-have set today and create your perfect makeup look. It comes with a combo bundle of all new beauty tools and accessories. Complete girl or teen makeup, perfect gift set for holiday and Christmas gift ideas for teen girls, gift for mom, gift for kids, gift for females, and holiday Christmas stocking stuffers. You can get this Shany Bundle Makeup Set all in one bundle by clicking the link in the description or comment. Follow me for more great offers like this.